This is an introduction to Bourne shell scripts under Unix and the execution of Bourne shell scripts. In this case, we are going to examine a script called first script. This script prompts you for an answer to a question. Are you happy? Reads the answer, echoes the answer. It then reads your name, echoes your name, and then echoes your entire name if you type it in. Now this script, if we tried to execute it from the command line, actually has two problems. First, the script is not executable, which can be determined by looking at the permissions. In this case, there is no X in the execute permissions position, either for the owner or for the group or for other users. We will attempt to deal with this problem later. The other problem with the script is, since it is not executable, it cannot be executed unless it's run underneath a shell, in this case a Bourne shell. So theoretically, if we ran a Bourne shell with the sh command and the name of the script, the program should execute. Are you happy? Yes. Full name, and then the script executes. Now, to make this script executable, we need to add an X into the position. The current permissions, if we add them up, is read-write is 6 for the owner, and then read is 4 for the group and 4 for other owners. So the current permissions are 644. So we're going to change those to 744, which will add the execute bit to the permissions for the owner. Now when we look at the permissions, we have an execute bit set for the owner. Now if we attempt to run the script, it says if first script is not a typo, you can run the command to look up the package that contains the binary. Now at this point, the problem is apparently the path, and so I'm going to fix the path by adding the current working directory, which is int bshell, to the path. The path variable is called path, and we're going to add to it a new directory, which is home, rbas, and int _b _shell. Now when we examine the path, we can see I've added this new directory to the path. Now if the file is executable, which it is, and it can find it in the path, we should be able to execute this script by typing its name. Are you happy? Yes. So we have demonstrated fixing the two issues which makes a script executable. One is adding the execute bit for the owner or for whoever is trying to execute the file, and the other is correcting the path so that the shell, the Bourne shell, can find the script in the path that it is searching for the executable file.